Remove mouth wrinkles, lift corners of your mouth naturally. This video will examine how to remove mouth wrinkles in 3 days. Lift corners of your mouth naturally. To treat wrinkles at home or to evacuate chuckle lines, best natively constructed tips are used in video. Step-by-step instructions to expel wrinkles from face at home. This wrinkle veil doesn't take 7 days to begin demonstrating results. It for the most part begins profiting your skin in as meager as 3 days. The best part is, you most likely as of now have the 3 fixings required to make it in your kitchen. What you'll require: 1 ripe banana, 1 medium-size ready tomato, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, bearings. 1. Remove the strip of ready banana and cut the mash in little pieces. 2. Pro tip: if you have pimples on your skin, take a little bit of banana strip. 3. Crush it and apply the juice on pimple. 4. Now expel the seeds from tomato and press the juice from residual mash. 5. Squeeze 2 teaspoons squeeze and include it in banana pieces. Presently take 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and blend it in with the banana mash. 6. Now you need to pound the banana mash and make a thick glue from it. Apply this glue all over and let it sit for 25 to 30 minutes on your skin. 7. Rinse with water, or a delicate purging cleanser. However, maintain a strategic distance from any chemicals with liquor, as this will just dry out your skin. Here we have 2 all the more best home solutions for wrinkles. Olive oil. Olive oil is an extraordinary back rub oil for your skin. It is a decent wellspring of cancer prevention agents, similar to nutrients and an E, which battles skin-harming free radicals. Consistently rubbing olive oil onto the influenced skin region will saturate, fix and even recover skin cells. As the oil infiltrates profound into the skin, it gives durable assurance and keeps it saturated. Another choice is to blend a couple of drops of nectar in with a couple of drops of olive oil and glycerin. Back rub the blend into your skin twice day by day. This will dispose of dead cells and help fix hanged skin. You can likewise rub your skin with coconut oil, emu oil, almond oil or nutrient E oil to forestall and lessen wrinkles. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is wealthy in citrus extract that goes about as a solid exfoliant and disposes of dead skin cells. It likewise functions as a profound purging specialist and astringent that will help blur flaws just as wrinkles, barely recognizable differences and different indications of maturing, similar to dark circles. Delicately rub a smidgen of lemon juice into your facial skin. Leave it on for 5 or 10 minutes and afterward wash your face with water. Do this a few times each day. On the other hand, you can blend 1 teaspoon every 1 of yogurt, nectar and nutrient E oil and lemon juice. Spread it all over and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before washing it off. Another alternative is to apply lemon juice blended in with gooseberry powder onto your face to treat wrinkles and postpone maturing normally. If you love it, subscribe my channel and share.